Dear students, welcome to the problem solving session on ODE. Today we are going to see how to solve if my RHS is going to be either sin AX or cos AX. Before going to the session, it is mandatory, like you need the prerequisites. You just go and watch the ordinary differential equation basics. Then only you can understand what is mean by complementary function, what is mean by particular integral, general solution, etc. etc. Then watch the type 1 videos if your RHS is going to be e power AX. Go to the playlist, watch the videos, and then come back for the type 2 videos. Type 2, if your ordinary differential equation whose right hand side is going to be either sin AX or cos AX, then my PI is going to be 1 by f of d. Either you write sin or cos AX. Let us take it as sin AX. Now, here the rule is d square should be replaced by minus a square. You should be very careful. It is not minus a whole square. It is minus a square. So, I will write my problem in my convenient format. Like if the problem is, for example, d cube plus 3d square plus 5d plus 3, I can write this as d into d square plus 3d square plus 5d plus 3. To substitute the value of d square, I am just writing the d cube as d into d square. That is the meaning of this. But we don't want to worry because our problem is concerned as mostly second order linear differential equation. So it will be d square. Now the rule is d square is replaced by minus a square. So when d square is replaced by minus a square, we will be getting f of minus a square. Here also we have two cases. Either it is going to be 0 or it is not equal to 0. Let us discuss one by one. Case 1. If f of minus a square is not equal to 0, then my particular integral is going to be simply sin ax divided by f of minus a square. Problem over. If suppose f of minus a square is equal to 0, then as usual, like type 1, we have to multiply by x and differentiate the denominator alone with respect to d. That is, if f of minus a square is equal to 0, the above rule fails, then we have to multiply by x and differentiate the denominator with respect to d. After finding this, if f dash of minus a square value is not equal to 0, we stop the problem. Then the solution is going to be x into sin ax divided by f dash of minus a square. If suppose f dash of minus a square is equal to 0, then we have to continue the process. We have to multiply again with x and differentiate the denominator again. It will become f double dash of d square sin ax. It goes on. Now the same thing is applicable for cos ax also. Now we know the procedure. Let us go into the problems. We'll take a simple problem first. D square plus 4 into y is equal to cos x. First let us find the CF. The auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 equal to 0. When you replace d by m, the roots are going to be m is equal to plus or minus 2y. So we can write this as 0 plus or minus 2y. Therefore my CF is a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Next we have to find pi. As usual, I'll bring this d square plus 4 to the denominator into cos x. As usual, assume dr equal to denominator. If the right hand side is cos ax, d square should be replaced by minus a square. Here a value is 1, so d square should be replaced by minus 1. Let us find the denominator. Denominator is minus 1 plus 4. Very good, it is 3, that is not equal to 0. Problem over. Therefore my pi is going to be 1 by 3 cos x. You can see the typed version. Now finally the general solution is y is equal to CF plus pi. That is nothing but a cos 2x plus b sin 2x plus 1 by 3 cos x. So the problem is going to be very simple. Remember, if e power ax, d should be replaced by a. If it is sin ax or cos ax, d square should be replaced by minus a square. Okay, this problem is very simple. We get the answer easily. Now let us go to a problem which makes the denominator 0 when you find pi. a small change which I made in this problem. Instead of cos x, I took cos 2x. So a left hand side is same. We are going to get the same complementary function a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Now we are going to deal with the right hand side, that is my particular integral pi. Now as usual, let us assume dr equal to denominator, and we have d square is equal to minus a square. Here d square is minus 2 square, that is minus 4. So now when we calculate the denominator dr, minus 4 plus 4, it's going to be 0. So the above rule does not work. If it is 0, then we have to multiply by x and differentiate the denominator by d. D square plus 4 differentiation is 2d. Now it is going to be x by 2, 1 by d cos 2x. We have only content for d square is minus 4. I don't know the value of d. So I am just going to multiply and divide by d. We'll be getting d by d square. Now the new denominator is going to be 2d square, that is 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. You can see the typed version. Now my new pi is going to be x into 1 by minus 8 d of cos 2x. d of cos 2x means differentiation of cos 2x. Cos 2x differentiation is minus 2 sin 2x. Already we have minus 8 and x. By cancelling this minus and 2, will be getting my pi is sin 2x into x divided by 4. You can see here. So now pi gets completed. Write the general solution. The general solution is CF plus pi. So now both problems what we have seen is simply d square plus 4. If you have a problem like d square plus 5d plus 6 or d square minus 5d plus 8, etc., if the extra d terms come, how to solve the problems for type 2? Let us see the next problem. We take d square plus 5d plus 6 into y is equal to sin 3x. Let us find the CF. Make the equation homogeneous by making right hand side 0 and put d equal to m. Will be getting the auxiliary equation. Solving either using calculator or manually, you'll be getting the answer m equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. Then CF is going to be a e power minus 2x plus b e power minus 3x. Next we have to find the particular integral pi. As usual, let dr equal to denominator, then d square is replaced by minus a square. Here a is equal to 3, so d square is replaced by minus 9. Now my denominator is minus 9 plus 5d plus 6. It's gonna be 5d minus 3. So your denominator is neither 0 nor a number. It is in terms of d. So now I cannot proceed further using this result. So what I'm going to do, let us write the data. My pi is going to be 1 divided by 5d minus 3 into sin 3x. To tally the problem, I need d square in the denominator. But now in the denominator we have d. So let us take the conjugate. 5d plus 3. Multiply and divide by 5d plus 3. We know that a minus b into a plus b formula, it's nothing but a square minus b square. So 5d minus 3, 5d plus 3 will become 25d square minus 9 in the denominator. And numerator, we have 5d plus 3. Now again calculate the denominator. We know d square is minus 9. There is no change. So 25 minus 9 minus 9. I'll just take this minus 9 outside. So I'll be getting 25 plus 1, 26. You get minus 234. It is not needed, student. This is for my reference. You just use your calculator, get the solution. So my denominator is not equal to 0. Thank God the problem gets over. Now I am going to write the denominator minus 234. 5d plus 3 is nothing but 1 by minus 234. 5 into differentiation of sin 3x plus 3 sin 3x. Differentiation of sin 3x is going to be 3 cos 3x. Already we have 5. So 5 into 3, 15 cos 3x. Plus 3 sin 3x. This is going to be my answer for pi. Therefore, the general solution is CF plus pi a e power minus 2x plus b e power minus 3x, and I can write the pi here. Hope you get the idea out. Suppose, for example, it is very important. If you are getting like 2d plus 3 sine 3x, let us think some problem. Now, to find the conjugate, you should be very careful. Don't do as it is. You may do minus plus error. In this case, what you do, better you take the minus outside. Now it became 2d minus 3. So it is very easy for me to write the conjugate 2d plus 3, 2d plus 3. Hope you understand. Similarly, if you are getting like 4d minus 5. In this case, now you obviously know what you have to do. Take the minus outside, it will become 4d plus 5. The conjugate is going to be 4d minus 5 divided by 4d minus 5. Hope you understand. This will create a way such that you don't do errors in the exams. Let us see some more problem in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and share to your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.